Did you know that people on an average spend around 4 to 6,000 for petrol every month, and some people spend way more? If you don't want to spend a single rupee on petrol, then you must switch to EV already. It is not just the petrol that you are saving with an EV, but there are tax benefits that you can claim too. Let's see how this works, and at the end of the video, I'll discuss some frequently asked questions from my clients. These tax benefits are available on vehicle loan taken for your EV, and all this is covered under the section 80EEB. This benefit is available for individuals, both resident and NRI. This is not available for other assessees like LLP, firms, etc. Make a note of these dates: April 1st, 2019 to March 31st, 2023. Only loans sanctioned between these dates are eligible for tax claims. Maximum amount you can claim is up to 1.5 lakhs in a financial year for an EV used for personal purpose. However, individuals who have taken loan for business purpose can claim the entire amount of interest paid under section 36 subsection 1 clause 3. And guess what? They can even claim depreciation under section 32. This is when you are using the EV for business purpose. The loan must be taken from a recognized financial institution or even a deposit taking NBFC, that is non-banking financial company. Deductions of interest is based on accrual basis, not on the actual amount paid. That means the interest payable is deductible, which is there need not be actual amount of interest paid on that loan. There is no restriction prescribed on the value of electric vehicle. That means this benefit is applicable for an entry-level scooter to an higher-end EV car. This applies even to purchase of second-hand EV. This deduction is allowed to individuals only. The individual may use it for personal purpose or may use it for renting out. This benefit is not available on new tax regime. Now let's see some frequently asked questions from my clients. First question: what types of electric vehicles are covered under section 80EEB? This deduction is applicable to loans taken for purchase of both two-wheelers and four-wheeler electric vehicles. Can both principal and interest payments be claimed under this deduction? The answer is no. Only interest component of the loan repayment is eligible for deduction, that too up to 1.5 lakh, and the principal repayment does not qualify for this deduction. How long can I claim this deduction for the interest component? The answer: the deduction can be claimed for the entire tenure of loan until the interest is fully paid, subject to annual limit of 1.5 lakh. Can I claim this deduction if I purchase the electric vehicle for my commercial purpose? Yes. The deduction is available irrespective of whether the electric vehicle was taken for personal or commercial purpose, as long as this loan is taken in the individual's name. Hope this video was helpful. Feel free to mention your feedback and ask questions in the comment section, and we will try our best to address it. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.